In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Canva to share your designs and create templates efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, mastering these steps will enhance your workflow and maximize your use of Canva's robust features. Let's begin by focusing on how to share a design. To start, locate the Share button. You'll find this prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner of the Canva interface. Clicking on this button opens up a suite of sharing options. It's your gateway to distributing your design to collaborators, clients, or anyone who needs to see your work. Sharing is crucial if you're working as part of a team or need to get feedback. After clicking Share, look for the See All option. This may not always be obvious, but is important if you're looking to explore all the available sharing settings. By selecting See All, you unveil a comprehensive menu that showcases every possible method to disseminate your masterpiece, from directly sending the link to integrating with apps and tools you might already use. Now, if you're using Canva Pro, there's an additional feature that truly enhances your ability to manage designs, which is the template link option. It's essential that you're on the Canva Pro version for this, as it's one of the premium features offering extensive capabilities in creating reusable templates. By selecting the template link, you make your design accessible as a template for others. This is particularly useful if you routinely design materials that follow a similar structure or theme. Next up, click on Create Template Link. This is the pivotal step in transforming your current design work into a template that can be reused multiple times. Creating a template link allows you to establish a baseline for future projects or for other users to adapt their own designs from yours. Convenient for maintaining brand consistency or embarking on collaborative projects. Finally, after setting up your template, click on Copy. This action effectively duplicates your design or the template link, making it readily available for you to paste wherever necessary, be it in an email, a chat message, or into a project management tool. Copying the link is the act of making your design accessible, is how you ultimately distribute your work to others or ensure your template can be easily accessed and modified later. And that's it. By following these clear steps, you've not only learned how to share a design quickly and effectively, but also how to leverage Canva's capabilities to create and disseminate templates. This functionality empowers you to work more efficiently, enabling quicker collaboration and broader reach with your creative projects. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore and experiment with these features to see how they best fit into your creative process.